And this is exactly what you need to do to avoid dialysis. Catherine here. In this video, I will share with you the complete recipe for the most powerful kidney healing tea in the world, according to the most recent research. This very easy recipe, made with just 4 ingredients, is based on the ancient herbs that were used to treat kidney problems since the times of the ancient Romans. Today's research confirms the healing properties these ingredients boast. Very recent studies found out that combining the exact ingredients you see here can give you incredible results in terms of diabetic wounds healing. It can also help improve the glucose and lipid metabolic disorders. And most importantly, this recipe can make the kidney function of patients in stage 4 of CKD go up by 12.4% in just 3 months. Yes, this is the most powerful kidney healing tea in the world. So if you want to help your kidneys get better, don't skip a second of this video. Let's see the full recipe now. Let's start with a natural remedy I recommend to every single kidney disease patient. Yes, this is even helpful for those in stage 5 pre-dialysis because it can lower blood pressure and improve heart health. It can lower blood sugar levels. It can lower proteinuria, one of the most important markers of kidney damage. And it restores kidney function in all the stages of kidney disease. This is astragalus. This root is a natural remedy that's been used for thousands of years for its impressive benefits. Today, we are going to pair it with some other natural remedies that are going to make its benefits even more powerful. Yes, combining 2 or more natural remedies to get a healing effect that is not obtainable with just one remedy is exactly how herbal medicine works, according to science. In particular, this root you see here was tested in combination with astragalus both in CKD and in diabetic patients. The herb targets the kidneys directly, so it is considered very useful, especially for improving the strength of the still working aspects of the kidney. And there is a study in particular in which this remedy was proven able to heal diabetic wounds, but only when combined with astragalus. None of these 2 remedies alone was able to heal the wounds, but when they combined them, a miracle happened. This root you see here, the second ingredient for our kidney healing tea, is called Rehmannia glutinosa. Don't worry, despite the name, this is a pretty easy to find remedy. More about that in the next part of the video. The reason why Rehmannia is so easy to find is because it's a powerful natural remedy used all around the world. Other than being able to heal diabetic wounds when combined with astragalus, this root also has very powerful kidney protecting effects on its own. Recent study shows that Rehmannia fights proteinuria, one of the most important markers of kidney disease. Yes, this root even alone can help your kidneys improve. It can also reduce pain and swelling, and as we have seen, it's a great help for those with diabetes as it can also lower blood sugar levels, which is great. But monitor your blood sugar closely if you have diabetes because you will see results. Guys, as you can see, these are both roots and there's also some berries and powder here. So don't miss the next part of this video because I'll show you exactly how to prepare these herbal remedies and make a special tea called decoction. This is a way to make sure we are not wasting any of the healing potential of these herbs. Don't worry, it's even easy to do, and I will also show you exactly how to find these remedies. Before that, there are still two key ingredients to our healing tea. These berries you see here are a powerful stimulant for the kidneys and bladder. They will help flush out impurities and toxins, and according to research, they will directly increase the rate of kidney filtration. This won't just increase urine flow. Having an improved filtration rate means that the kidneys are improving. This powerful remedy is called juniper berry. This is the berry of the juniper tree, an evergreen shrub that grows in many parts of the world. As a remedy, juniper berries are used in many medicine practices because they are rich in essential oils and flavonoids that function as potent antioxidants. These can help reduce inflammation and swelling. And these berries will also make our tea taste great. They have a tart, spicy flavor. And according to recent research, these berries may also fight diabetes and help the heart by lowering bad cholesterol. Okay, one last ingredient. This is a powerful anti-inflammatory. We add this natural remedy because it blunts the effects of the inflammatory molecules and enzymes that lead to kidney disease according to studies. CKD is an inflammatory condition, which means that we really want to take advantage of remedies that, just like this powder you see here, have anti-inflammatory properties. And this is probably the most powerful anti-inflammatory remedies in the world. It can directly slow down the progression of kidney disease. Yeah, you guys probably already know about the incredible benefits of turmeric for kidney health. What not everyone knows about turmeric is that it works in synergy with astragalus to fight both diabetes and high cholesterol levels. Studies show that curcumin and astragalosides could improve the glucose and lipid metabolic disorders. So guys, none of these remedies is here by chance. They will all play a role in making this tea way more powerful than the sum of its ingredients. And to achieve this, we also need to follow a special recipe. Before I'll show you how to put all this together, an important question. How can you find these herbs? All these herbs are grown for medicinal purpose all around the world. They are not hard to find and also inexpensive. When it comes to herbal remedies, I like shopping locally. The herbal shop I usually go to is also managed by a competent herbalist that can help me with my preparations and that can vouch for the freshness of the ingredients. This is not something to underestimate. If you can't find a herbal shop, these ingredients can also be found on Amazon.com and other herbal shops online. On my website, newhopeforkidneypatients.com, I'm maintaining an updated list of all the best supplements, herbs, and home remedies for people with kidney disease you can find online. Link is in description. Time now to see how to prepare a decoction out of these very powerful remedies. First of all, here you can see the right dosages for the herbs. Keep in mind that this is the dose for 1 day. Now I'll add everything except the turmeric to the mortar and make these remedies into small pieces so they can be used to make the tea.
Let's crush it.
To save time, you can also prepare all the herbs beforehand and store them already mixed in an airtight glass container. If you want to make enough tea for 1 week, for instance, you can use 7 times the doses I'm showing you here and then crush everything and put it in a sealed bag already mixed.
Done.
Okay, done. Let's put them here. So this is the right quantity for 1 day or about 30 ounces of water. That's a little bit less than a liter of water. So let's see the special preparation this tea needs. To make this tea more powerful, we need to make what the holistic doctors call a decoction. Don't worry, it's not complicated. Let's see it. First of all, these herbs need to soak in water for 2 to 4 hours before making the tea. Let's also add the turmeric and a pinch of pepper. This is needed for the turmeric to be bioavailable. This step can also be done the night before if you want to make the tea in the morning. Now they are ready to boil. When the water boils, reduce the heat and let simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Strain. Allow the tea to cool and our kidney healing tea is ready. All these ingredients are safe for 3 months or even more. Just don't forget to consult your doctor before trying any new remedy. This tea will really help your kidney health improve, but you also want to take care of your health with the right diet and lifestyle choices. Guys, there are only 4 habits every single kidney disease patient must develop if they want their kidneys to improve. I've shared what they are in my video up here. Watch it now if you missed it. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.